Rained pretty much all night last night. Down over there in Overton, they said they got 8/10 of an inch officially. Washed the air real clean. Smelled real good while it was raining. It was enough to make a few little puddles, even though the desert does a real good job of soaking it all in. A little breezy today, a little cool, but it's not snow. It's not freezing. So can't complain too awful much. Fairly popular out here. Still getting solar. Even on a day like this, I still get enough solar to pretty much keep up. Got some die-hard four-wheeler fans out here today.